Hi, my name is Vittorio Viarengo from Mobile Iron. I'm here today with Olges Rege, who is our VP of Strategy, and we're going to talk about a very exciting topic, which is the introduction of iOS7 and what that means into the enterprise.
Interesting things happen at the Worldwide Developer Conference. One of the big things this year was a swath of new functionality on the enterprise side. In 2009, when Mobile Iron actually got started and our first version of the product came out, we hit the first phase of mobile first, right? And that was just where the iPhone 3GS came in. It had a little bit of encryption, the users wanted it, IT couldn't say no, and they were forced to pay attention. So what we've always thought about is those early days is the pay attention phase, where the devices were coming in, you couldn't do a lot with them, but you had to pay attention to them, had to start thinking about your strategy.
And what was phase 2?
Well, phase 2 was actually triggered by iOS 4. For the first time now, there was MDM primitives, mobile device management primitives, that Apple provided in the operating system. And what that meant is now platforms like Mobile Iron could provide centralized management and security across all the iOS devices in the enterprise. And if you think about what happened then, it was adoption.
In iOS 7, they introduced a lot of features geared towards application management.
Yes.
What to the extent that we can talk about it, what are the ones that really
that matter? Yeah. So just like we said, iOS 4 triggered phase 2 of mobile first. iOS 7 and what we're doing in Mobile Iron will trigger phase 3. And phase 3 is when we start transforming the enterprise. And that transformation happens through, just like you said, applications. So if we think about what's been happening just with our customers, if you are a large enterprise and you've been deploying iOS or Android or any other system, what you're thinking about in your head right now is I'm moving my business processes to mobile. So that means I need identity, I need really easy user provisioning because my deployments are getting big, I need applications, and I need content. So Apple heard that loud and clear as well. We as Mobile Iron have been investing for 5 years in core security and management along those 4 dimensions. Now what Apple's done is Apple's provided some very important features and functionality within the operating system when iOS 7 comes out that will allow us as Mobile Iron to build a whole new swath of services on top of it.
I think what Apple has said pretty clearly at WWDC is that the next frontier is application management, and to do that you need that MDM profile on that device.
But in the end, what this requires is it requires a mobile IT platform that goes across applications, goes across content, goes across devices, but most importantly focuses on the data. Right, that's included in all of those actions. So what Apple has really said is the following, which is that these iOS devices are going to be used for very fundamental mission-critical business processes. And in order to do that, you're going to have a mobile IT platform like Mobile Iron that can support them. And in order for those mobile IT platforms to build new services, Apple has given the building blocks within iOS 7.
So that's very exciting for us and our customers because, adoption increases in the enterprise. Mm-hmm. Apple doesn't provide enterprise mobility management, so somebody needs to step in and help our customers. And let's not forget there are other operating systems out there that will need some of the same functionality.
Samsung, for example, is making an Android with Safe and Knox. You see what's happening with Windows 8.1, right, which is also now really taking a serious look at these core primitives that mobile IT platforms like Mobile Iron can use. So we are entering a new world where the operating system has a set of embedded security, and those operating systems and all the applications across those are managed by a central mobile IT platform like Mobile Iron that can work across all of them.
So we're very excited, and keep coming back to our blog on mobileiron.com as we learn more about the operating system and what are these capabilities, and more importantly the impact that these capabilities are going to have on the enterprise. We are going to share and help you navigate this new technology. So thank you, Olges.
Thank you, Vittorio.
And we'll see you at the next episode of our video blog.
Bye-bye.